In 1912, the world's largest and most luxurious passenger ship prepared for its maiden voyage. Her name was RMS Titanic, a floating palace built to symbolize human innovation and confidence. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic departed from Southampton, England, carrying more than 2,200 passengers and crew bound for New York. On board were some of the wealthiest people in the world, alongside immigrants seeking new lives in America. For 4 days, the voyage seemed smooth and promising. But late on the night of April 14th, disaster struck. The Titanic collided with an iceberg in the freezing waters of the North Atlantic. Within hours, the unsinkable ship began to sink. Lifeboats were too few, and chaos spread across the decks. At 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912, the Titanic disappeared beneath the ocean. The tragedy shocked the world and forever changed maritime safety.